Hi friends, in this video I have shown the IKEA ALGOT system which we have used for our various organizing and storage needs. It's an open storage solution which can be kept in various parts of the household like the laundry or the pantry or the workspace or the living room, and it is so adaptable that it can be modified to suit our needs, and hence it is very versatile product. So let us see how I put to use in my household.
This is the ALGOT storage system. This is one of the main components, the ALGOT wall upright. My husband is fixing the ALGOT system, and as he is doing it, I'll explain it in detail. This is available in three sizes: 56 centimeters, 84 centimeters, and 196 centimeters. What is shown here is 84 centimeters. So we are going to fix it on the wall and then fix some racks and other storage accessories. We get a lot of these storage organizers like this plain shelf, this rod, shoe organizer, trouser hanger, drying rack, and many such other items. All these can be fixed on the wall upright, which will be fixed on the wall. And for this has got to be fixed on the wall at a distance of 60 centimeters. Some of these accessories like the shelves are available in different widths: 40 centimeters, 60 centimeters and 80 centimeters. So based on the width of the accessory that is to be fitted, we have to fix the wall uprights at a gap of either 40 centimeters, 60 centimeters or 80 centimeters. Although the accessories are of the width of 40, 60 or 80 centimeters, the wall uprights have to be fitted at a distance of 41.6 centimeters from center to center, or 61.6 centimeters or 81.6 centimeters from center to center to accommodate the width of the wall upright. Here we are going to fix the wall uprights at a distance of 61.6 centimeters. We can see there is a marking here. The up arrow shows that it is the top of the upright. So as you see, he's going to fix one upright on this side and the other one at a gap of 61.6 centimeters. Now that the wall upright has been fixed, we plan to fit this shelf, and for fitting this, we are going to use this brackets like this. You get brackets of different lengths. You can see that this is the shortest length. So the first thing he does, you can see, is opening the top cover and fixing it at the point where we want to place the shelf. Similarly on the other side as well, he will fix the bracket at the same level. You can see that this has got a small projection and there is a groove here, two grooves and two notches. So if it is fixed in the grooves and pushed forward to lock. Similarly on the other side. Then the cover is fixed. So now we have a sturdy shelf which is powder coated steel, and it can take a load of up to 15 kgs. You can see that next we are going to fix this bigger shelf made of particle board, and it has got three notches. It is 58 centimeters long, and for this we need a much longer bracket. So first the top cover is removed. Here you can see how the brackets are being fitted. It fixes with the help of these notches which go and get locked on the slots. So you can see the brackets being inserted here and pushed down such that they get firmly locked. Likewise the other bracket has been fixed too. Only thing to be taken care is that both the brackets are fixed at the same level. For this it's also important that the wall uprights are fixed at the same levels. So finally this is how the plank gets fixed on the brackets. All the notches go into these grooves and then pushed slightly forward, and then the cover has to be fixed. So now we have a very sturdy shelf which can hold up to a maximum load of 34 kgs. Already we have seen two wall uprights were fitted. Now we are adding one more wall upright of a shorter height at a distance of 61.6 centimeters from the center of the second upright. So we have here a box with a lid which can be used like a drawer. So we're going to fix this on the wall upright, and for this we need these two brackets. For fixing this, we have another special attachment, which is this pull-out rail for baskets. It acts as a guide for sliding. This fits on the bracket like this. You give it a slight push. The second one, this comes as a pair, left and right. Now fix the top cover on both the brackets. This box has already got this attachment fixed. So this just sits like this, and then you have to slide it forward. For locking the drawer so that it does not come out, you have two buttons and they fix like this. Just keep it here and give it a small push. So now when you pull the drawer, it acts as a stopper.
So till now we have seen how the Algot wall upright and the shelves and various accessories were fixed with the brackets. Now after that I have added one or two items and have also rearranged the location of the shelves. So let us see how I have done it, and in the process I'll also explain other things. Earlier we have shown two wall uprights fitted in the two sides of the dishwasher, and a large wooden shelf. Actually, there is a gap above the dishwasher. It could have been fitted just above the dishwasher so that it looks like a built-in dishwasher. Though there are slots available, we have fitted here because of the tap. We have also shown a small steel shelf here, which we have relocated now. I'll show you that. So the third wall upright was fitted here. So this place is above the washing machine, and the shelf which was on the dishwasher side has been shifted here, and we are using it for placing the various consumables of both the washing machine and the dishwasher, detergents and various liquids and other things. I'd also shown the drawer. So this has just been adjusted slightly above its original place. Okay, I used it for keeping a few hand towels. Latest addition is this laundry basket, this pull-out laundry basket. There are three varieties, mesh type, and this is one type which I bought. And since I have the habit of sorting clothes, colors and whites, I put my white clothes here. Okay, as you see, this is a medium-sized bracket in which this has been fitted. It's very convenient to put the laundry in this because it's open and it's airy and quite spacious, quite deep. So this we have fitted here. Here we have used only the small upright. We have not used a bigger one because again there is a space problem. So here we have an option of fitting only 2-3 accessories, whereas we have got more space here, and I've left it open because in future, as and when I plan to add something, I can fix up something here. I can use these brackets as well as a common bracket for fitting. I can buy just one bracket here and make use of this bracket, and I can place the same size shelf here in this area. I can put something else in this area on the same level, or I can even place up and down anywhere. I can place any other accessory. I plan to buy one more laundry basket and place it here, and when I remove this thing, so, or I can have a clothes hanging rod here. So that option is always there. That's the beauty of this Algot storage organizer, that you can add or remove accessories as and when you want. In this place I used for the various items of related to washing machine and dishwasher. I fixed the shelves and laundry basket and this drawer, etc. I have more place for adding some more items. So that is what I meant in the beginning when I said that it is very adaptable and flexible, and thus it becomes a very versatile organizer. It's a very amazing product. So in the next video, I'll show two more applications of Algot in my house, as well as the Algot planner. I'm sure you would like this product and the video as well. Thank you for watching. Bye bye till my next video. Thank you.